Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, I'm bringing you some groundbreaking news from the intersection of science and technology that's sure to blow your mind. Imagine being able to carry a powerful microscope in your pocket, ready to use anytime, anywhere. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the future we're stepping into. Thanks to some brilliant researchers at the Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology, this futuristic vision is now a reality. They've developed a revolutionary holographic microscope that can be seamlessly paired with your smartphone, transforming it into a powerful scientific tool. This isn't your average microscope, though. It's a leap forward in both design and functionality. Traditional digital holographic microscopes are usually bulky, expensive, and require a desktop computer to operate. But this new invention is compact, affordable, and incredibly versatile, making high-quality microscopy accessible to everyone. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. Holographic microscopes create 3D images of samples by digitally reconstructing holograms, providing a detailed view of the microscopic world. The Tokyo team simplified the optical system and used a 3D printed housing to make it lightweight and portable, without compromising on quality. It connects effortlessly to your smartphone, and an Android app processes the holograms with ease. The app then displays the reconstructed image right on your phone screen, making it easy to analyze and share your findings. You can zoom in and examine specific areas in real time, giving you a closer look at the intricate details of your samples. This makes the microscope incredibly convenient and user-friendly, perfect for both amateurs and professionals. But what's really mind-blowing is the range of potential applications this device offers. In healthcare, this device could revolutionize diagnostics, allowing for on-the-go disease detection, such as identifying sickle cell anemia in remote areas. In education, students can observe living organisms up close, right in their classrooms, making science more interactive and engaging. And for researchers conducting field studies, this portable microscope is a game changer, enabling them to conduct high-quality research outside the lab. It's not just a tool, it's a breakthrough that could change the way we approach scientific research and education. The portability and affordability of this microscope make high-quality microscopy accessible to more people and in more places than ever before, democratizing science. It's innovations like this that push the boundaries of what's possible and inspire the next generation of scientists and tech enthusiasts to dream big. So, what do you think? Could this be the next big thing in tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinions and predictions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates and discoveries. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.